Hey everybody! One of our favorite things in our house to do is make smoothies. We love it, the kids love it. It's a really easy way to sneak in some extra healthy stuff, and it's also just a nice way to have food on the go. So I was going to share with you guys today our favorite basic, super awesome green smoothie. A lot of people, especially when you're introducing them to green smoothies, get a little weirded out. So there's a few tricks in making it so it's the best experience for everyone involved. So we have some super duper ripe bananas, which makes it extra sweet. If the bananas aren't very ripe, you can also add a little bit of raw honey or regular honey or maple syrup into that as well. Sometimes I'll actually add just some pitted dates as well. Those are some great non-refined sugar options to sweeten your smoothie. So we also have spinach. I actually picked this just barely out of the garden. I'm doing for my sister this summer. We have a lemon essential oils, some sort of nut milk would do, or kefir, or a little bit of both. And we have some chia seeds, and then we also have pineapple chunks. So I always start with the liquid first, and I like kefir because it's made out of milk, but all of the lactase has been pretty much taken out of it by the kefir grains. It's been consumed by the kefir grains and chunked out tons of awesome probiotics. So we make a whole quart a day, but my kids really like it, and so they get mad if I put all of it in the smoothie. So a lot of times I will just do half and half. So I will put in half the quart of kefir, and then I don't know, it's usually like about 3 cups of liquid that I put in there as my base. And sometimes you could do all almond milk or all cashew milk as well. And then bananas. And these ones really are so ripe. They don't have to be this ripe. I'll use them even kind of green if that's all we have, but then I do put a little extra sweetener in there. And then, since we have so many, I usually do 2 bananas, not 3, but I've really got to use these bad boys. So then sometimes I'll even put like an apple or an orange, any fruit that my kids maybe only ate half of, I'll just chuck it right in there. We also really like putting just a lemon cut in half, thrown in there, washed. And if you don't have a high-speed blender, I'd skip that because it's a little bit hard to get those peels blend up, but it does give it a really nice flavor. And then you really put more spinach in here than you'd think you would need. The spinach condenses down and it blends up, and I actually feel like it gives it a nice kind of smooth texture. So go crazy on the spinach. Even if it's somebody that you're trying to, it's like a first time having green smoothie, you can put more in there than you probably would imagine. And then I really like putting a few chia seeds in it. Don't put too many or else it'll make it really, really thick. I don't know, maybe like 2 tablespoons or something like that. That will make it a little bit, it gives it a really nice consistency if you don't put too much in there. It also helps keep you full a lot longer. We like to eat smoothies as breakfast, and so having that chia seeds actually makes it stick to our gut a little bit longer. And then I always just top it off when I'm trying to have somebody try the green smoothie that hasn't had one before or is a little bit trepidatious about it. I'll always just do spinach and more neutral colored fruit. Don't put strawberries, it will turn brown. And even I don't particularly like eating something that's like brown sludge. So mangoes and pineapple are one of the best bets. And I actually find that pineapple's even better because it has that more acidic flavor, and the acidic flavor of the lemon and the pineapple really balance out any green flavor or overly green flavor that you'll get from the spinach. And I just top it off a few drops too. You'd think that just the lemon would be enough, but I feel like having the lemon essential oil rounds it out a little bit more as well. So then I just pop the lid on and blend the crap out of it. And if I had more pineapple, I would have put more in here, but I'm out. And then to make it, you can get it all the way to the top, especially on these super awesome Vitamixes. And then you just kind of wait for it to be a little bit, look like it's smooth, and I honestly just try it like this. I'm only sharing with my kids. It came from me anyway. It turned out really good. You can also add protein powder to it. I really love vegan protein powder. Gosh, I'm spinach on my lip. And I like to add vital proteins to it, out of that right now as well. So you can add a lot of things. I will add probiotics to it, the powdered probiotic to it. I'll add bentonite clay to it. If my kids are a little bit sick and they need a little bit of detox, you can hide so much healthy stuff inside of one delicious smoothie and give it to your kids and they'll chug it down, or give it to yourself and chug it down. So this is pretty much a staple in our house, is green smoothies and smoothies in general. I love this recipe. You can also use just canned pineapple or refreshed pineapple. I do particularly like the frozen because it makes it cold, especially going into summer. So I hope that helps somebody. I hope you try it out. If you do try it out, comment, let me know. I'd love to see what you guys think, if you've made any adjustments to it, anything like that. I'd love to see people using the recipe and being healthier. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.